Okay, so I'm having to redo this video. I'm gonna cut that part out. But I have to redo this because of not editing well. So we've got all of these fidgets, all of these that we have to reorganize into this. I like this. It's very compact, and it can actually hold quite a lot. So how did this go? It went this here. You guys can't see. Oh my gosh. So I have, oh my gosh, I'm gonna so much. So we're packing this giant, not giant. Ow. Oh, I hate it when my fingers pop like that. But we're packing this color changing needle. I love this. I got it from my cousin. Bike chain, I think that's what these are called. Very compact. It's a very simple fidget, actually. I'm about to be like, oh my gosh, because I'm like so mesmerized by the fidgets. A tangle. I love these. Super nice. Super simple too. And then we're packing this Rubik's snake. I don't want to get it out of its little ball because that took me a while to put it in like that. And then we have textured monkey noodle. Love these. Super satisfying. And then we have this, and comment down below. This should be taken out of its package. Kind of like the crinkle. And here comes my dog. Alright. So that's it for the top. Now let's move on to the bottom. The bottom is going to be more advanced because we're putting in all these things that have like bubbles, and we're putting in these fidgets that are fidget spinners. Got a fidget spinner right here. But then again, we also have these Trimple Dimple, Simple Dimple, Snapper, whatever the heck these are called. We got this Simple Dimple, one of the loudest Simple Dimples you could possibly get. And now we're just gonna pack them in. Just gonna stack them all one by one. Not one by one, we're just making a whole fidget sandwich. Just gonna plop it. Oh, I just realized I have to do the trimple on here first, and then we have to do the big. Alright, cannot close. That's always why we do a closing twist. Oh, it's practically its own game show. Will it close? Alright, and there we go. Pretty quick. Got the bottom part done. Because there's another box that I actually really wanted to move on. Oh my gosh, it won't shut now. There we go. And it's this bandsaw box that I made in wood shop. So it's actually very big for its size. It's not that big. This is about 6 inches wide each way, because I made it, so I know the dimensions. So we're gonna be packing all of these fidgets. Not a lot, not as much as the other box can hold. But we've got the shell here, we've got the actual container here. So we're gonna be packing this giant monkey noodle, textured monkey noodle, I don't know why I'm in such a rush, regular monkey noodle, fidget spinner I got from a bowling alley, mochi, and textured, what is this? textured needle. Oh my gosh. I'm sorry, that took me too long. So we're just gonna pack all of the monkey noodles first. Bash that in. Take this mochi, just plop it in. Now this isn't as organized as the other two are because this is just like a whole ton of fidgets all over. And then we've got this, and boom, there you go. Easy way to store your fidgets. All right, see ya.